Isn't he a doll? So these are, at first when I got them, when I bought them at the flea market, I really thought that they were all nutcracker. Well, um, because they all look like the nutcracker, but they're not the nutcrackers. They're all different, similar to the nutcracker. These are the nutcrackers. These are original 1960s or 70s. Um, the pear is the nutcracker. This is made out of plastic. And this one right here is made out of wood with the fur. And it actually has the little thing. See, it's like it moves. And this one is actually older. I feel like this one is older than this one. This is probably from also like the 60s, or like, like it's just probably 60s or 70s, but I think more 60s. And this one right here is more of a royal guard. um I almost think that the nutcrackers, they have to have something like this to move, but then and again, I don't know much about the nutcracker. Is the nutcracker supposed to be the royal guards of Buckingham Palace of the British monarchy, or do they derive from the yeah, I know it's military, but I guess I'm just trying to learn a little bit more of when I buy things that are vintage, like Christmas ornaments. This one is really cool. This one is obviously is a policeman of the royal guards, probably, and the outfit is really cool. This one is definitely vintage, made out of wood, and it moves, so that's really cool. Um, this one right here is also vintage. Could be 1980s. This one is definitely vintage. It's so 70s. I mean, the colors, I thought it was Judy Garland, The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy. So, this also is really cute. And this one is a royal guard of the monarchy. That's the outfit of the royal guard. Because the royal guard of Buckingham Palace has a red top with white buttons and a white belt. And this one doesn't have that. And then also this one right here has the white in the middle. And so this could be some team of a royal god, but I don't know if it's the nutcracker, or the nutcracker is just a word of that they, you know, that you put a nut and then you crack it because it's a nutcracker. So obviously this is a real nutcracker. And this one is not a nutcracker because it doesn't have the nutcracker on the back. This is a real nutcracker because it actually does have the real nutcracker on the back. This one is beautiful. This one has a thing on the back, and that's actually a nutcracker. So I can definitely say that I have three official. This is a nutcracker, and this is a nutcracker. So I could say that these are real nutcracker vintage ornaments, right? And then this one is kind of cool. This was probably it goes on top of something. So like I was thinking like a bottle of um like like the bottle opener, whatever the bottle, um the lid of the bottle, and you just put this on top of a bottle. I think this is really cool. And then the mouth, I don't know what's going on over here. How would it move? Because when you move, the thing comes out of the mouth. See, there's like a little thing. Um, it had something right here that is missing, but it's really cool. It came with the package. I'm just so excited. So obviously these nutcrackers are made out of plastic, so it would be difficult to probably put things, but they're still vintage. So if somebody obviously I will look into the nutcracker, but maybe they're all nutcrackers and they're all beautiful, and these dangling ones are really cool, and they're a good size with the fur. But anyways, are the nutcrackers the royal guards of Buckingham Palace? It's very simple. Can someone answer me that? Maybe somebody from England, from London, from Buckingham Palace near Old Bond Street can tell me more. Anyway, so these are I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. This one I got with a bunch of stuff for like $2.99, and there were like over 10 ornaments. They were all vintage, and this was the oldest one. But these 14 ones I bought at the flea market for $11, all of them. So anyways, that was a really good buy. If you want to see some of these ones on eBay, check out my eBay store is named Metavog Vintage, and I will put a link on the video. Have a fabulous, fashionable weekend ahead. Goodbye.